Hello, hello guys. Today we are going to see how to create ASP.NET Core web application using Visual Studio 2017. So let's get started. I am going to run Visual Studio in administration mode. There it is. So let me create a brand new project. I'm going to new project just like this. Yeah, I just click the web thing and I have option ASP.NET Core web application. Let me name it .NET Core. Alright, and let me put this project in a learning directory. ASP.NET Core like this, and I am selecting .NET Core here, and let's see how we will build the API first. A project template for creating different core application example, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, let's just create the API thing. Okay, it's very small, short template, clean. It has one controller with name values. Let's run it straight away. Okay, it's downloading the packages from Nugget. One amazing thing in ASP.NET Core is they just put everything as a package on Nugget. So this is how it's running and giving us the response. So today's okay, so let's create an action which will take a string and find that string inside a list of models and return a list with matching results. So how we can do that? Just write public action result with the value, let's say a string find values. Okay, find user. It will take a string as a query, and for the sake of getting list of user, let's create a let's create let's create a helper class, some kind of helper class. What should you say? What should be there? Okay, let's just create a folder and named it helpers, and name it mock data, and create another folder, name it models, and put your entity or Poco class or your model class inside here. Let's call it person, and person has, let's say, two properties, string name, and another property is string email, right? So let's Just save it. Let's come back to mock data. In here, let's just create a static method which will return a list of persons. That's it. uh, Public static list get, okay, get persons, okay, like this, and it will add the reference to the model. List of person like this, and list dot add, sorry, new person, and this person has two properties. One is email and and other property is the name. Let's say small. Yup. And let me just copy paste and make it header assert assert. Okay, that's it, and this list will be returned like is. And now we have a method which is returning us the list of person, and let's just query in that list war response is equal to helpers dot mock data dot get persons dot where x equal to x dot the starts with no dot contains, yeah, let's say it will contain a query or x dot name dot contains, and this will contain that query, right? And we will see dot to list like this, and we will turn that list right away. Boop, 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 boop. Response like this, and we need to update the return type here, list of person. Although this is not a right way, the what I should say, the best practice, this is not best practice to return the response like this. But here we will just want to achieve to create an action which takes a query as a parameter and returns the list of objects in response. That's it. So let's just test it with Postman. Postman is a awesome client for your API calls. You can test your API calls very easily. You can create collections, you can write your test inside it. It has the Newman CLI, which is awesome. Sorry. Okay, so we need the get request. So before going to the get request, let's see, let's run this and see how this works. So what it takes, find user slash query. So instead of this, let's just add http get notation on top of this, and friends, let's just name this action as find users, and after the find user we will add the query in the URL instead of giving the query string, and this query will be passed automatically to this action, and further the things will be manipulated. And next thing I want here is to just query as dot to lower, so that case the search is case insensitive, and we get the result for both uppercase and to lowercase, to lower, like this, and we make our query dot to lower as well, right, like this, and that's it. Control S, Control F5, and the query will start begin. API slash values slash the action name was defined users and slash u, and I press enter. You can see u is matched and I have only one record. What if I oops, is not a valid? Okay, yeah, that's right, there should not be empty string. So let's say ASA. Okay, the Asad is matched. If I write the whole name Asad, okay, awesome. So this is how we are getting the results. As this is the Visual Studio 2017, and while running I did not uncheck the create SSL certificate, so it is running on HTTPS. And if you go to Postman for verification, it will not allow you to call the HTTPS with this kind of certificate, because this Postman by default wants to verify the certificate. So to uncheck or disable that thing, you just need to go to settings, and in SSL certificate verification you need to make it off. So that currently it's off, so I just updated that, and now the query will work as normal. And what URL is it? Let me just copy and paste inside here, and I just hit enter. So I have 200 status response and I have this result. So that's it for this session, and in next session we will explore some other aspects of ASP.NET Core, especially the web API. First we will cover the web API, then we'll come back to ASP.NET Core console, WinForms, and WPF application. So till then, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also click the bell icon to get the notification right away. So bye bye.